Is there any hardware I should replace or upgrade before a stage 1 tune for a B8.5 S4?
Yes. We've talked about this a bunch. I'm sure we have a bunch of clip outs for it, but injectors are a big kind of maintenance item on these cars at this point. I'd say almost any B8 or B8.5 is likely at the age where if you don't know the injector history, just swap them. That is certainly an aging item. I mean, there's all of the other supporting mods we do recommend. Should upgrade or replace. Intake is a restriction. Stage 1 for sure. And then the heat exchanger stuff is gonna get you.
Yeah, inspect that stuff. Cats.
I mean, you can throw stage 1 works just fine just on a stock car. So there's nothing there. But maintenance wise, I would certainly say injectors.
Injectors are brighter. And then just make sure the car is in good maintenance.
Yep.